Okay, welcome back to another video. It's me, Beat, on here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to use the TikTok Live Studio for your computer so you can go live on TikTok. And if you don't have 10,000 followers like it wants you to, I'm going to show you guys how to bring it down to 1,000 followers, because I don't have 10,000 followers. Go to my TikTok, I only have 4,100 followers. This is my page. You can see my avatars right there. If we go back to the TikTok Live Studio, you can see my same avatars right here with the username I am Beat on. So it's really simple as to how to do this. You basically want to go live on your phone for like 30 minutes, and you want to do it twice. I don't know if one will cut it, but maybe do it twice, two 30-minute long live videos on your phone, and then maybe give the TikTok Live Studio a day or two before you open it back up. But when you open it back up, it will give you the live access if you have over 1,000 followers. So yeah, that's how I got that to work. And then you have other requirements if you want to get the 180-day access. But to show you guys that it's working right now, it says I'm offline. If I hit go live, because I'm sure it brings up the other menu I just had open, so you want to choose your topic, Fortnite. Gonna go live, and right here it says we're live, and it's counting up the seconds how long we're live streaming. So it's super simple. I can show you guys how to like modify some stuff, add some stuff, well, in the live. But if that helped you guys, like the video, subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments, and I will do my best to provide any answers you guys are looking for, and I hope it helps. Thank you.